everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Mega Blastoise versus a Mega Charizard. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mega Blastoise versus Mega Charizard surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing, and I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with Mega Blastoise, let's begin right over here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, let's draw this line right over to here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And then I'll make another kind of like little U shape right in there for a little reflection in the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line out a little bit farther. Now starting right here, let's curve this line up, and then let's bring it all the way out to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then I'll curve this right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and I'm going to curve it down. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Next, I'm going to curve this line down, and then I'll curve this one down too. And then I'll bring a little line over to here. Next, starting here, I'm just going to bring this line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. Then I'm going to bring it out. Then I'm going to curve this line up. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. And then right here, I'm going to curve a line down here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then I'm going to bring this up and then down for part of the shell. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line across. And right across the stomach, I'm just going to add a couple little curve lines. Now, over here, let's draw our Mega Charizard Y. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come back like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come over and up. Let's draw a line that comes down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And then down and up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line back. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then over for the top of the head. Then I'm going to draw a big line. It's just going to kind of come off the paper for one of the spikes. Then I'll bring it down here. And I'll draw another line that's going to come out and then back here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up here. And then a little line right there. Next, starting here, let's bring a line that's going to come down and then up with a little curve. We're going to go down and then curve around here. Then I'm going to bring a line down here. And then a line down here. And then a line down here. And then right here, let's make another little pointed line like this. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves. We have our Mega Blastoise and our Mega Charizard. Let's start right here with our Mega Charizard. So the first thing we want to do is let's curve this line in. And then all the way down here, let's curve this line up a little bit. Next, starting here, let's come up and then down, and then we're going to come back up here. Then right here, we're going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this up. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then as I get right up here, let's kind of curve it over. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line that comes down and up for one of the teeth. And then same thing here, let's go up and then down for the teeth. Then for the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. I'm going to curve this around and make a little curve. And then starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Now, starting here, let's work on the Mega Blastoise. So I'm going to start right here at the top. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it up. And then this line I'm just going to bring up and then over here. Now, right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down and connect it right here. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down. Right here, I'm going to add a line that goes down and up for one of the teeth. And the same thing here, let's just go up and down. And then for the tongue, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up. And then we're just going to curve it back. Now, our next step is we want to add the detail in the middle. So with our Mega Blastoise, what I want to do is I want to make it kind of look like one of his arms is kind of shooting out and he's going to blast the Mega Charizard. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start in here and I'm going to make a line that comes up and then I curve in and then I bring it back. Then I'll draw a line that curves up and down here and then one that's going to go down and up. Next, I'm going to curve a line here. I'm going to bring it around and then right to here. Next, right here, I'm going to curve this line down and around. And then I'm going to curve a line here that's going to go up and then back around. And then right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and up. With a little curve here. Next turn here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down. Then I'll make a line that's going to come up, or down and up. I'm going to curve this, and then I'll curve this one right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make 2 lines that come out for the water. And then I'm going to make a wavy line right across here. Now, for our Charizard X, or Mega Charizard, let's bring a nice pointed, jaggy line that's going to come up right to here. And then let's do the same thing for our Mega Charizard. Let's bring this down here. And there you go. When we have it all folded up, we have our Mega Blastoise versus Mega Charizard facing off. And then when you open it up, they are shooting their water and fire blasts at each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.